Welcome to How to Deploy Machine Learning Models with Streamlit, where you'll learn to transform your machine learning models into accessible web applications. By the end of this video, you'll master building and deploying model-based apps with Streamlit. Have you ever developed a machine learning model and wondered how to share it with the world? Welcome to this video on deploying models using Streamlit, an open-source app framework. Streamlit lets you effortlessly turn your models into interactive web applications, perfect for data scientists looking to showcase their work. It simplifies the deployment process, making your models accessible to anyone with a web browser. In this video, we'll walk through setting up Streamlit, integrating machine learning models, and deploying your app to the cloud. By the end, you'll have the skills to make your models interactive and easily shareable. Before diving into deploying models, we need to set up our development environment. Start by installing Python, if it's not already on your system. Streamlit operates on Python, so this is crucial. Next, set up a virtual environment to manage dependencies cleanly. Use pip to install Streamlit with the command pip install Streamlit. Once installed, verify everything by running Streamlit hello to see a demo app in your browser. This ensures Streamlit is working correctly. Organize your project with a clean structure, separating your data, models, and Streamlit app files. With this setup, you're ready to start building your app.
Let's build a simple Streamlit interface. Start by creating a new Python script named app.py. Import Streamlit using import Streamlit as street. Begin by designing your app layout using Streamlit's widgets like sliders, buttons, and inputs. For example, st.titleMyML app sets a title for your app. Use st.text_input to accept user inputs. Streamlit's intuitive design allows you to focus on functionality and user experience. Ensure your app is responsive by testing it on different devices. By the end of this section, you'll have a functional interface ready for your machine learning model. Now that we have a basic interface, it's time to integrate a pre-trained machine learning model. Load your model using joblib or pickle. For example, import joblib, model equals joblib.loadModel.pkl. Next, use Streamlit to accept user inputs and pass them to your model for prediction. Display the prediction results using st.write or st.text to show output. Ensure your model is accurate by testing with various inputs. This integration step is crucial as it connects your model's logic with the user interface, making your app functional and insightful.
Handling user inputs effectively is key to a successful app. Streamlit offers various widgets like st.text_input for strings, st.number_input for numbers, and sliders for ranges. Validate inputs to ensure users provide correct data. For instance, use if input is none, st.error please enter a value. This prevents errors and enhances user experience. Streamlit's widgets are user-friendly, but it's vital to anticipate edge cases. Consider what happens if a user enters unexpected data and handle these scenarios gracefully. By the end of this section, you'll know how to create a smooth and error-free input system. Deploying your app to the cloud makes it accessible globally. Streamlit sharing is the easiest option, but platforms like Heroku or AWS provide more control. Start by preparing your app for deployment. Ensure all dependencies are listed in requirements.txt. On Streamlit sharing, simply upload your app repository. For Heroku, use Git to push your app and configure settings with a profile and runtime.txt. AWS requires more setup but offers robust infrastructure. Once deployed, go live and share your app's URL. Cloud deployment enhances your app's reach and usability, making it a valuable tool for your audience. Optimizing your app's performance is crucial for user satisfaction. Start by improving load times. Ensure your model is efficient and doesn't consume excessive resources. Streamlit offers caching with st.cache to store results and prevent redundant computations. Streamline your app's design by minimizing unnecessary elements and focusing on core functionalities. Regularly monitor user feedback to identify and address performance issues. By optimizing your app, you'll enhance the user experience, encouraging more people to use and share your tool. This step ensures your app remains fast, reliable, and a pleasure to use. Even with the best preparation, deployment can face hiccups. Common issues include missing dependencies, incorrect configurations, or server errors. Start by identifying errors through logs. Streamlit and cloud platforms provide detailed logs for debugging. Use tools like Streamlit Run locally to test and debug before deploying. Monitor your app's performance post-deployment to catch issues early. If deployment fails, check configuration files and ensure all dependencies are listed correctly. By understanding and resolving these issues, you'll maintain a smooth and professional app experience, ensuring users can rely on your app without interruptions.
Congratulations! You've learned how to deploy machine learning models using Streamlit. We've covered setting up your environment, building an interface, integrating a model, deploying to the cloud, optimizing performance, and troubleshooting. Streamlit's ease of use makes it an excellent choice for data scientists and engineers looking to make their models accessible. We encourage you to explore further and share your experiences in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next.